Okay, this is the review for today, June 17th. Um, let's start off with NVIDIA. No gaps today. We basically opened kind of right where we closed yesterday, above 156 and a quarter, which is the low of the range. And interestingly enough, we pushed up, got to yesterday's high. We could not close above there, and we proceeded to dump. Now, we broke below the range low on the higher time frame, and we broke down yesterday's low, but we reclaimed immediately. So that's 5-minute candle right there. We reclaimed immediately, and then we proceeded to push up. Now we closed above the range low on the higher time frame, and this is where you could have taken the best long, in my opinion. I did not take it here. I was not present at the moment, but this is a picture perfect trade. We close above the level, pull back, 9 moving average creeping up, close close above the level again, above the 9 moving average, holding opening price is that green dotted line, and then we open above, pull back to 156 and a quarter, and then we push up, try to test high day. Now I took the same exact trade on AMD actually about 15 minutes after, but I butchered the hell out of it. So same thing, push up, and then we just dump. We close below. We closed below yesterday's low actually, and this is same thing on NVIDIA, same thing on AMD. This is a failed breakdown of previous day's low, and on NVIDIA it would be a failed breakdown of the complete range lows. So let's look at my trade from AMD. 81 and a quarter is the level for me. Push up in the morning, sell off, fail breakdown, reclaim of the level, reject off the 9 moving average, reclaim of the level again, and we are getting tighter and tighter. We close above it, and we didn't make a new high on this 12 o'clock candle. We did fail to break lower. We reclaimed it, so this looks like one leg, pull back, and we're gonna go for a second leg test high of day, and that's where I got long over here into the level. And as we are pushing into high of day, I see that we're having trouble moving around. I'm watching order flow. Sellers are piling in over here. Bids are somewhat holding, but you can definitely tell there's some distribution up here. And I said, you know what? Okay, let me get out. And what I thought I did was I thought I got out at 82, 57, 60, whatever it was. But apparently I added, so I doubled my position up here, and I stepped away to go grab a water, and when I came back, I'm about to close my software, and I always do this whenever I'm going to close my software and I'm done with my trading day. I always check if I have any open positions or open orders. Just a fear of mine. I've never had a situation where I've genuinely needed to, or I've left an order on and I forgot about it, whatever, etc. But thankfully I have that fear, and I checked, and I added it, and I'm like, oh shit. So I just covered what I had. This, what did I have? This was about 2R. I covered for like, this ad over here brought my average way up, so I covered for like half an R. It was mediocre, but yeah, that was the trade. Interestingly enough, looking at the daily chart, let's pull that up a bit. We reclaimed yesterday's lows and we closed above it. We do have sellers piling in at low 83s, high 82s. So that's going to be interesting for us to reclaim this range low, which is about, what is this? 84. Reclaiming 84 is going to be very important for AMD. But like I said, like I said the other day earlier in the week, we are far from the 9 moving average on a daily. So we could get a pullback into it. If we fail to break down, I think we can reclaim the 9 and potentially move higher back into triple digits. Let's look at um, Nvidia. You know, so we're holding range lows down here. So 156 is very key. I think we could get a push up next week. Let's check out Amazon, holding range lows beautifully. Facebook, kind of struggling down here, but we're not really selling off. It looks like we're holding price down here. We could see a push minimum into like 172, and then maybe sellers will get back into action. But I do think we can get a push next week. And yeah, I'm gonna be doing an end of week review. Uh, I'll post it tomorrow, and either Sunday or Monday, I'm gonna be posting about an overall month review and what my goals are, um, why and how I figured out being aggressive on trading just isn't my style, and how I've started to step back from being aggressive. So I'm gonna be posting that on Sunday.